Hi, this is Linux Pune. This is the implementation team, and we are going for Linux implementation day 1. This is our office where we operate from, and this is the lab we actually capture in for. If you can see, we have a server which is open on the last corner. We have these other machines with us. Linux Pune server implementation day 1 for the student. So this is DL380 server we are going to use. We have 3 hard disks. One we'll use for the OS, rest 2 will be for the data. And this is the partition type we are going to use. Software requirement is going to be all the servers we are going to implement: PHP, Perl, MySQL, Webmin, Neguos, and firewall we are going to implement. This is server we are going to implement a webmail server like mail.yahoo.com along with DHCP, Apache, and Postfix, and along with that we are also going for monitoring tool, which we are going to show it to all the guys around. And this is a server we have now with us. This is a DL380 server. We have 3 active hard disks, and we are implementing RHEL6. The same implementation we also do for Ubuntu, SUSE, OpenSolaris. So they will have all the knowledge about all the flavor of Linux. And this is the SCSI panel where all the hard disk is connected. If we'll go down towards bit inside, we'll find out the fans which is rotating now, and this is the humming sound is coming out of that. You'll see the RAM section, and this is the 2 CPUs we have along with the SMPS in, and this is the t-shirt and the logo we have designed, so just able to show it to you. This is where we are going for. Hi, this is Rohit, Sumit, and Suraj is going to implement today. So this is the implementation team. Already this whole project is going to take 4.5 hours. The phase 1 is already done, where we have designed, where we have taken all about how much the hard disk is going to be, what kind of partition we are going to use, and what software to be implemented, and what benefit for that. And the phase 2 is then implemented by Sumit, Rohit, and Suraj, where they're going to install the whole server and prepare this server as a remote server. They'll also prepare 4 clients over there called as client 1, 2, 3, and 4, which will be done through this remote server. Once that is done, they will implement the YUM server, where they will install all the servers over there, and they will go slowly from DHCP, Apache, and other things too. So last aim for us is nothing but to just go and implement a mail server like mail.yahoo.com, where they can able to log in and can check their mails. So they'll go for the Postfix implementation, and once the mail server is done, they'll go for the online mail server. Hope they're going to enjoy this. Session कैसा था इसका? How was the session?
The session was good. Session was very good. In fact, looking at the practical perspective, it was very nice.
So, how you want this session to be improved more? Like, you want this session to be repeated more times, or?
I would say, going hand in theory, we need more practical. We need more practical knowledge.
So, like, what you learned? Like, what exactly the major challenges you got throughout the day?
Just for FTP and telnet, we can use for get the access of remote PC.
So,
transfer files from one PC to another.
No, what my question was, like these sessions like this, what you're doing, right? So is it going to help you in terms of building up your, whenever you go for kind of an interview, or?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, a lot of questions they ask on this, like FTP and all that. So it would be difficult. It would be very useful in our futures.
Yeah, because once we'll complete this, because once the server will be complete, right? So once you complete all your servers and you will implement the whole thing, you'll get a better idea that exactly what exactly you're doing, right? So let's hope this kind of sessions. This is a day 1 session, so we'll have more sessions like that to go. So,
Thanks so much.
yeah. We have designed our own T-shirt and series for the students for the Blogomania. This is the blog event. Hope you enjoyed this session, and thanks. Welcome to Linux Pune.